Section 1. Technological Takeoff. Soaring into the 21st century. The dawn of the new millennium saw aviation technology soar to new heights. One of the most significant breakthroughs was the introduction of fly-by-wire technology. This innovation replaced conventional manual flight controls with an electronic interface. Another game-changer was the adoption of composite materials in aircraft construction. These materials, lighter and stronger than traditional aluminum, significantly reduced aircraft weight. This led to improved fuel efficiency and lower operating costs for airlines. The aviation industry also witnessed the rise of more powerful and fuel-efficient engines. These engines, often equipped with larger fan diameters, reduced noise pollution and carbon emissions. The implementation of sophisticated avionics systems revolutionized flight operations. These systems provided pilots with real-time information on weather, air traffic, and aircraft performance. The era also saw the introduction of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and the Airbus A380. These wide-body aircraft, known for their advanced technology and passenger comfort, became icons of modern aviation. Section 2. Wings over the world. Aviation's global reach. The period between 2000 and 2020 witnessed unprecedented growth in the aviation industry. Globalization and a burgeoning middle class, particularly in emerging economies, fueled the demand for air travel. Airlines expanded their networks, connecting more cities and countries than ever before. Low-cost carriers played a pivotal role in making air travel accessible to a wider demographic. These airlines, offering no-frills services at competitive prices, revolutionized short-haul travel. The rise of online travel agencies further transformed the industry. These platforms provided travelers with a convenient and transparent way to compare flight options and book tickets. The growth of the aviation industry had a profound impact on the global economy. It facilitated international trade, tourism, and cultural exchange. Airports became bustling hubs of activity, serving as gateways to countries and continents. However, this period of expansion was not without its challenges. Section 3. Turbulence and Triumph. Navigating Economic Uncertainties. The aviation industry, while experiencing significant growth, faced its share of turbulence between 2000 and 2020. The global financial crisis of 2008 sent shockwaves through the industry. Airlines faced a sharp decline in passenger demand as businesses cut travel budgets and consumers tightened their belts. Fuel prices, which had been volatile in the preceding years, reached record highs, further squeezing airline profits. The industry responded with a mix of cost-cutting measures and strategic adjustments. Airlines reduced capacity, grounded older, less fuel-efficient aircraft, and renegotiated contracts with suppliers. Some airlines merged or formed alliances to consolidate operations and share resources. Governments stepped in with financial assistance packages to prevent the collapse of strategically important airlines. Despite the challenges, the aviation industry demonstrated its resilience. After a period of contraction, air travel demand rebounded. The COVID-19 pandemic, which emerged in late 2019, presented an unprecedented challenge to the aviation industry. Section 4. Fortresses in the Sky. Security Redefined. The tragic events of September 11, 2001, cast a long shadow over the aviation industry. The terrorist attacks exposed vulnerabilities in airport security and led to a fundamental shift in aviation security protocols. Governments worldwide implemented stringent security measures to prevent similar tragedies. One of the most visible changes was the introduction of enhanced passenger screening procedures. Full-body scanners and advanced imaging technology became commonplace at airports. The Transportation Security Administration, TSA, was established in the United States to oversee and enforce security measures at airports nationwide. Airports underwent significant security upgrades. Reinforced cockpit doors designed to prevent unauthorized access became mandatory on all commercial aircraft. Air marshals, undercover law enforcement officers trained to handle onboard security threats, were deployed on flights. These security measures, while necessary to enhance safety, came at a cost. Greener skies, aviation's environmental awakening. Between 2000 and 2020, the aviation industry experienced a growing awareness of its environmental impact. Airlines and aircraft manufacturers acknowledged the need to enhance their environmental performance. They focused on improving fuel efficiency, investing in newer, more fuel-efficient aircraft, and adopting operational practices to save fuel. Significant advancements were made in developing lighter, more aerodynamic aircraft designs. Sustainable aviation fuels, or SAFs derived from renewable sources like plant oils and waste materials, emerged as a promising solution to cut down on carbon emissions. Airlines began test flights and explored the commercial feasibility of SAFs. Additionally, the industry took steps to reduce noise pollution. Modern aircraft engines were designed to be quieter, and noise abatement procedures were implemented during takeoff and landing. Airports collaborated with surrounding communities to lessen the impact of aircraft noise on residents. The future of flight innovation on the horizon. As we moved into the second decade of the 21st century, the aviation industry stood on the brink of transformative advancements. The ongoing quest for sustainable aviation continued to fuel innovation. Electric and hybrid electric aircraft emerged, promising quieter, more environmentally friendly flights. The concept of urban air mobility, or UAM, gained traction, envisioning a future where small electric aircraft navigate urban landscapes, offering on-demand air taxi services. These aircraft, often referred to as flying cars or eVTOLs, aimed to alleviate traffic congestion and introduce a new mode of urban transportation. Advancements in artificial intelligence and automation were set to reshape flight operations. AI-powered systems could assist pilots in decision-making, enhance safety, and optimize flight efficiency. The development of autonomous flight technologies also raised the possibility of pilotless aircraft in the future, though significant regulatory and societal hurdles remain. The concept of supersonic flight, once a relic of the past with the retirement of the Concorde, re-emerged. Section 7. The allure of the skies, the enduring appeal of air travel. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, the allure of air travel remained strong. For many, flying held a sense of wonder and adventure. The ability to soar above the clouds, to traverse continents in a matter of hours, continued to captivate the human imagination. Air travel fostered connections. It brought people together from all corners of the globe, bridging cultural divides and fostering understanding. Families and friends separated by distance could reunite with ease. Business travelers could connect with clients and colleagues face to face, building relationships that transcended geographical boundaries. The aviation industry recognized the importance of enhancing the passenger experience. Airlines invested in more comfortable seating, upgraded entertainment systems, and improved onboard amenities. The rise of premium economy class, offering a compromise between the affordability of economy and the comforts of business class, catered to the evolving needs of travelers. Airports evolved into destinations in their own right. Section 8. Beyond Boundaries. Aviation's role in a globalized world. The period from 2000 to 2020 witnessed the increasing interconnectedness of the world. Globalization, driven by technological advancements and the free flow of information, goods, and capital, reshaped the global landscape. Aviation played a pivotal role in this transformation, serving as the invisible threads that wove together the fabric of a globalized society. Air travel facilitated international trade on an unprecedented scale. The rapid transportation of goods by air became essential for businesses operating in a fast-paced global marketplace. Perishable goods, high-value products, and time-sensitive deliveries relied heavily on air cargo services. The growth of e-commerce further fueled the demand for efficient and reliable air freight. Tourism, a major beneficiary of globalization, flourished as air travel became more accessible and affordable. People could explore distant lands, experience different cultures, and create memories that would last a lifetime. The tourism industry in turn created jobs, boosted local economies, and fostered cross-cultural understanding. Aviation also played a crucial role in humanitarian aid and disaster relief efforts. Section 9. Balancing Act, Growth, Sustainability, and the Path Forward. As the aviation industry entered the 20s, It faced the challenge of balancing its continued growth with the imperative of environmental sustainability. The industry's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint became paramount. Airlines, aircraft manufacturers, and governments worked together to explore innovative solutions. Sustainable aviation fuels, or SAFs, emerged as a key area of focus. The development and widespread adoption of SAFs had the potential to significantly reduce the industry's reliance on fossil fuels. Governments offered incentives to encourage the production and use of SAFs, while airlines committed to increasing their SAF blends. The concept of a circular economy gained traction within the aviation industry. This approach aimed to minimize waste by reusing, repairing, and recycling aircraft components whenever possible. Airlines explored ways to extend the lifespan of aircraft, reducing the environmental impact of manufacturing new ones. Section 10. Conclusion. A legacy of innovation, a future of promise. The period from 2000 to 2020 marked a golden era of aviation, characterized by remarkable technological advancements, unprecedented global reach, and a growing awareness of the industry's environmental responsibilities. The industry demonstrated its resilience in the face of economic downturns, global pandemics, and security challenges. As the aviation industry looked to the future, it carried with it a legacy of innovation and a commitment to shaping a more sustainable future. The allure of air travel, the enduring appeal of soaring above the clouds and connecting with the world, remained as strong as ever. The journey ahead promised to be as exciting and transformative as the journey that had brought aviation to this point.